Happy Friday, everybody. Coming back with you again with another video. Update about Matrix Pro Lead. How you can get your leads from Matrix Pro Lead for your home-based business opportunity seeker buyer leads, and email, and even just a lot of leads for your home-based business, and so forth and so on. Here's the intro for the new update about the new Matrix Pro Lead. I'll show you the back office. I'll log in. That's the home right here. Where to order. If you want to order leads, you go here. There's the lead package right here. Text, live call, business opportunity markers lead, $40. Email, business opportunity markers lead, $30. Direct mail, business opportunity marketing leads, $30, and so forth and so on. Yeah, he downgrade his lead package to three lead, the main course of what we need to build a home-based business for our everyday leads. There you go. There's the new website, the new update on this website by Matrix Pro Lead. Yes, Matrix Pro Lead. Here it is right here, the new update of the website. Go back home. Go back home for a minute. This is home. If you want to be an affiliate, you go here. Business planning. Our business planning. We are updating our affiliate program webpage and should have all the new details up in a couple of days. It's still building. This website is still building. And so forth and so on. Go back home again. And log in to my back office and share with you what's going on. So yeah, that's my back office. I mean, it looks regular website with less color and whatnot. So this is what the new back office is going to look like when you guys join Matrix Pro Lead. So forth and so on, whatnot. So I've been with Matrix Pro Lead for a very long time. Sell leads, buy leads, use the leads to gain access to other prospects who are seeking to work from home. We all need leads. Can't stop stressing that. Everybody need leads. They need people that are interested in working from home. We need leads. Without leads, you can have nobody buying anything from you. You can't make no money if you don't have nobody buy anything from you. It's called leads. Yes, it's called leads. So yes, we need leads, y'all. So I'm gonna go back and go from there. So this is my little small presentation about the back office, whatnot. So, yeah, so this is what's going on. So this is the front of the page. Front of the page. We're not welcome to American Best Matrix Pro Lead. Material, marketing material, and whatnot. And so forth and so on. They're still building the website at this time. At this time, they're building the website. They ain't done with it yet. So I'm just making this new update about Matrix Pro Lead for your everyday use from working from home For anything we want to promote, we need leads. Email list, phone number, text blast list, leads. We need it all to gain access to people that's interested in wanting to work from home. So this is my small intro about the new update on Matrix Pro Lead. Alright, come back with you again with another video. Thanks.